Video 14. Introduction to the library in allplan. In this video, I will introduce the library in allplan. On the toolbar, select Properties. Select Library. Select the default mode. Select 2D objects. Select Interior. View the operations performed on the display screen. Select items to show as shown. Items from the library want to be shown on the ground by. Click and hold the mouse in the library of objects to represent Move to any position in the allplan. Scale for the balance on the ground to be shown. Scale proportions for the balance on the ground to be shown. Rotate items to the right position to put in. Then move to the right area on the ground. Do the same. Take the necessary items in the library to the ground. I invite you to watch the next video on instructions on how to create access in allplan.